It's like Facebook knew that I wanted a dash cam. If you're a regular on my channel, you know that my A-Barth got hit a couple of months ago, and I said, okay, I need a dash cam. And like 2 days later, I was on Facebook and saw this advertised, $17.99 with free shipping if you buy two. I only bought one, but it was still only like $23, which I thought was a good deal. But I saw the dash cams at Walmart. They're $20 now. That's why I bought this one. I thought the dash cams at Walmart were still $40. But I might still get one at Walmart. Check it out. Compare the quality of these two dash cams. Took a while to get here. Like almost a month. I finally saw my tracking number one day, and it was coming from China, so it takes a while. So yeah, if you see this advertised on Facebook and you want one, it's a good deal if you buy two, $18. But then again, the one at Walmart's $20. But I have no idea how good or bad it is. Here's the dash cam itself. Battery life, very disappointing. 45 minutes. If it's not plugged in, that's it. 2 hours to charge. So you're gonna have to keep it plugged in all the time when it's in your car. It also came with a USB cord. I think I put it in my drawer somewhere. Windshield mount right here. And that's it. So there you go. There's the dash cam, very small. Like palm size almost. Okay, I don't know what's up with my battery, but yeah, it only lasts 45 minutes. I don't know if I have a bad battery or if that's just standard for this thing. But I always keep it plugged in. Kind of cheapy. The charge port cover already broke off. But basically, if you have it plugged into your car, the moment your car is in the on position, this thing automatically starts recording. So that's a cool feature. Like I'll turn it on right now and it's not going to start recording. Standard SD card. Standard size SD card. It loops every 5 minutes, but you could program it to loop every 1 minute if you wanted to create a new file every minute instead of every 5. And then if something cool happens or bad happens, or you catch something cool, you could lock the file so that it won't get overwritten, because it keeps looping. Every 5 minutes it'll create a new file until the memory card's full, then it'll start erasing stuff. When you turn it on, it shows a Rolls Royce. It would be cool if you could program your own car to show, but it shows a Rolls Royce for some reason. So it's in filming mode right now. So pretty easy to use. Here's if you press the power button without holding it, it's like night and day mode. I personally can't tell the difference between night and day mode. Press this to record. And then if you want to see like options, that's how you could timestamp things. You could change the looping from 1 to 5 minutes, put the date, language. So if you want to review your video, just press mode, press it again, and press it again. There you go. That's how you review your videos. And then if you press menu, you could choose to delete files or lock the file. So I'll go ahead and show you guys some footage from this dash cam right now. I tried it out to see if it would be like a cool GoPro, but the quality kind of sucks. So yeah, you're going to use this thing to record while you drive just in case an accident happens. It's definitely not a action camera. Almost forgot to share this. If you happen to get into an accident, or you're a witness to an accident and you happen to catch the footage and there's a cop on scene, or you have to go to court, you could bring this, or you'll have it on the scene and have the footage and be able to share it without a laptop. You can watch it straight off of the camera. So I locked a few files. I'm going to use them in future videos, but yeah, that's how you view files. So just press this to play it. It even has audio. It's not very loud, but there is audio, and it's time stamped. So that's a great feature. Yeah, I'll probably pick up one of those Walmart dash cams just to compare the quality. You'll see the footage quality here in a second. It's not very good. Like I said, it's not a GoPro. You can't use this as a GoPro. It's strictly for protecting yourself. Here's what the files look like on my laptop. LOK, those are the locked files. REC, those are the non-locked files. It'll just keep creating 5-minute files. I'm going to clear this out right now. I'm going to go through it, save the footage I need. You on the right, honey?
Yeah. You say you like your redneck hobbies?
Huh?
You want your redneck hobbies?
Yeah, I'm drifting.
You trying to drift this big truck in the desert?
I did though. Did you
A
see
little
that?
bit, yeah.
I got some drift. I got some skill, honey.
Is that the Asian in you? Asians that are drifting?
Hey.
Is that racers, right? Is it like a racer thing? Like race clothes?
Do not get me.
Isn't that a race rocket thing?
No, it's a Japanese like
Okay.
drift. But do drift this.
That's what I'm saying though, that's the Asian in you, because you're like trying to drift in this. Because I didn't know people drift in these, that's why I'm laughing about it.
I do.
That's why I find it funny.
That I drifted in it?
Yes.
I did though. Did you feel that shit?
Oh yeah.
I got it a little sideways. I got some skill, honey. Hidden talent, you know?
Yeah.
You're seeing a little more of who I am. What?
Oh, you're so funny.
Why?
He's a dork.
Why, honey?
Because it's so like you said redneck, but you're like drifting, two different things.
Like
to me.
combo.
Combo, yeah, like a fusion.
Okay, here's some nighttime driving in the rain up a mountain. Well, I'm actually getting a decline right now. -1. I was climbing earlier. Probably gonna get another climb here in a second. Sat my truck to the right of me and one in front of me. We change lanes here, away from the semis. Turn on the defroster. It's getting chilly here. But we'll see what this looks like. We'll see what nighttime mountain footage looks like.